Good afternoon. So class, this is your video class of English and we are here for the notebook work of chapter 4. Abu Ali counts his donkeys. So what you will do in the notebook? We will see now. The first thing that you will do is the new words. And how many new words you have to write? You have to write 7 new words. And those are fair, road, behind, sure, count, trotted and behind. Now next you have to do the word meanings. You have to learn and write the word meanings from book page number 47. Okay, and the next thing that we need to do in the notebook is to write question and answers of the chapter. So the first question here is, why do you think Abu Ali could not find one donkey? So in the story, Abu Ali bought 9 donkeys and later he rode on the first donkey and made other 8 donkeys follow them. And meanwhile he was going to his home, he just thought to count if he is having all donkeys or not. So when he was counting them, there were only 8. He was very surprised that I bought 9 donkeys and there are only 8 donkeys. How come it is possible? So he just got down from the donkey and he searched for all the donkeys, that where is the donkey, where is the 9th donkey, and he searched them behind the rocks and trees, but he could not find. And then again when he counted them, it was 9 donkeys. There were 9 donkeys. And again he rode on the first donkey and again he counted, there were only 8. So what mistake he was doing? He was not counting the donkey on which he was riding. That's why he could not find one donkey. So the answer will be as, Abu Ali did not count the donkey on which he was sitting. So the answer I am writing now. Abu Ali did not count the donkey Abu Ali did not count the donkey on which he was sitting. He was sitting that is why he could not found the one donkey. Full stop. That is why he could not find one donkey. Full stop. So the answer is, Abu Ali did not count the donkey on which he was sitting. That is why he could not find one donkey. Now the next question. The next question is, What did Abu Ali do after seeing that there were only 8 donkeys? जब उसने देखा कि सिर्फ 8 donkeys हैं, तब उसने क्या किया? Abu Ali looked behind the rocks and behind the trees. When he saw that there were only 8 donkeys. जब उसने देखा कि सिर्फ 8 donkeys है, 9th नहीं है, तो उसने रॉक के पीछे और ट्री के पीछे 9th डोंकी को सर्च किया. सो द आंसर इज Abu Ali looked for the 9th donkey for the 9th donkey behind the rocks, behind the rocks and behind the trees, behind the trees. After seeing that there were only 8 donkeys. After seeing that there were only 8 donkeys. Now the next question. The next question is, why do you think Musa counted 10 donkeys? आपको क्या लगता है मूसा ने 10 donkeys क्यों काउंट किया था? The answer is, मूसा ने अबू अली को भी एक डोंकी काउंट किया था. So he counted them 9 plus 1, that is 10 donkeys. So the answer is, Musa counted Abu Ali as the 10th donkey. M-U-S-A, Musa or Musa counted Abu Ali as the 10th donkey. Answer completed. Now the next question, question number 4. Now question number 4 is, do you think Abu Ali was able to understand his mistake? क्या आपको लगता है अबू अली अपने जो मिस्टेक थी उसकी काउंटिंग में उसको समझ पाया था? No, Abu Ali was not able to understand his mistake. This is a verbal question. You have to say either yes or no. So the answer becomes no. Abu Ali was not able to understand his mistake. अबू अली को अपनी गलती समझ में नहीं आई थी और जब उसने अपने दोस्त से मदद मांगी तो उसके दोस्त ने भी उसका मजाक उड़ा कर ये कह दिया कि तुम कह रहे हो कि 9 donkeys हैं और मुझे तो यहाँ 10 donkeys दिखते हैं. Okay, so class, this is your question answer. These are your question answers. You need to write your question answers in the notebook, and before that you need to write new words as well as the word meanings. Okay, so class, that's all for today. Have a nice day. Bye bye.